Assam passport row. The teams of Delhi and Assam police have now arrived at the residence of Congress leader Pawan Kheda. Earlier, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife Rinki, in her rebuttal to Congress party's allegations, had said that she has filed an FIR and called for a probe involving the Ministry of External Affairs. The face-off between Congress and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has escalated, now turning into a high-pitched political and legal battle after Congress leader Pawan Kheda flagged allegations over passports and foreign assets. The Chief Minister's wife, Rinki Bhuyan Sharma, launched a sharp counter-attack, dismissing the charges as baseless and fabricated. She rejected claims of multiple passports, foreign nationality and overseas property, underlining that Indian laws do not permit dual citizenship.
Kind of allegations they are making, like if we check with an Indian Passport Act, and that is itself says that what kind of foolish things they have done. India doesn't allow any dual citizenship, and they are talking about three. And I'm supposed, according to them, I'm supposed to be an Egyptian national, and they are talking about the golden visa. Now they are climbing down, and they are talking about some nonsense which I have been replying them in the Twitter. But it is really disheartening and really sad that the politics that they are taking to the level, and that too with such people with such authority, and where they are supposed to lead India, they are fighting for such petty reasons which are actually demeaning for the society, and they are pulling down the society to the lowest category. And that is what they are looking. It's like a mad dog running anywhere.
And adding weight to her defense, the Egyptian government has now termed the passport claim fake, saying that her identity was misused on unrelated documents. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has gone all offensive, alleging that Congress relied on forged documents which were accessed from online sources. In a detailed post, he claimed the so-called Dubai properties cited by the Congress are actually owned by different individuals and are not linked to his family. He further urged the public to verify the documents independently, even encouraging people to check the details themselves to uncover what he calls the truth behind fake campaign. This report has the details.
कांग्रेस के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता पवन खेड़ा के आवास पर 3 घंटे तक सर्च करने के बाद अब जो असम पुलिस है वो यहां से निकल चुकी है। दरअसल एक एसीपी रैंक के अधिकारी असम पुलिस से जुड़े हुए वो पवन खेड़ा के इसी आवास पर पहुंचे थे। दिल्ली पुलिस की सिक्योरिटी उस वक्त यहां तैनात थी और उसी दौरान तकरीबन 3 घंटे तक असम पुलिस पवन खेड़ा के आवास पर रुकी रही। पवन खेड़ा से संपर्क करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन पवन खेड़ा हैदराबाद में होने की वजह से पवन खेड़ा से मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई। लेकिन असम पुलिस ने यहां से निकलते हुए जो अपना बयान दिया उसमें साफ तौर पर बताया कि पवन खेड़ा उन्हें नहीं मिले हैं, लेकिन पवन खेड़ा के आवास पर सर्च किया गया और उस सर्च के दौरान केस से जुड़े हुए कुछ आपत्तिजनक दस्तावेज पुलिस को फिलहाल बरामद हुए, जिन्हें अपने साथ लेकर असम पुलिस यहां से निकल चुकी है।
The Assam passport row is now deepening with each passing day. Multiple teams of the Assam police raided the home of Pawan Kheda. His residence was searched for hours. Remember, this after he made serious allegations against Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife, Rinki, alleging that she has multiple properties in her name in Dubai. In fact, she also holds multiple nationalities. And this face-off has now escalated, turning into a high-pitched political and legal battle ahead of the crucial Assam poll.